Hello everyone, welcome to Online Mining Exam. Today's quiz is based on CE regulation for mine management legislation and general safety subject. It is a part of our Achievers Practice Series initiative. You can subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can stay updated about all future classes and quizzes that we conduct here. So in this quiz, there will be 10 questions and for every question you will have 30 seconds time to respond. After the time is up, the correct answer will be displayed on the screen. In case you have any doubt related to any question, you can post your doubt in the comment section after completing the quiz. Okay, so क्विज में टोटल 10 क्वेश्चन रहेंगे. हर क्वेश्चन के लिए आपके पास 30 सेकेंड्स टाइम होगा. आपको उन्हीं टाइम में अपने आंसर से रिस्पॉन्ड करना है और अगर कोई भी डाउट होता है तो आप उसको कमेंट सेक्शन में डाल सकते हैं क्विज कंप्लीट करने के बाद. ठीक है, करेक्ट आंसर आपको स्क्रीन पे ही डिस्प्ले किया जाएगा और कोई भी कैंडिडेट को अगर फ्री व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में ऐड होना है तो फ्री व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का लिंक इसी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे बहुत सारे स्टडी मटेरियल शेयर किए जाते हैं, आपको उससे बेनिफिट होगा एग्जाम में. ठीक है, ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द क्वेश्चंस नाउ. So the first question is, the term dash means an enclosure for electrical machinery or apparatus that will withstand when the covers or other access doors are properly secured. An internal explosion of the dash which may enter or originate inside the enclosure without suffering damage and without communicating the internal inflammation or explosion to the external inflammable gas or vapor in which it is designed to be used through any joints or other structural openings in the enclosure. The options are A. Flame-proof enclosure isolator, B. E-type safety enclosure inflammable circuit, C. Increased E-type enclosure halogen fume, D. Flame-proof enclosure inflammable gas, E. None of these. Question is slightly longer, so I'll allow some extra time to you. Just read on, then I'll start the timer after a while. Okay, starting the timer now. Let's see the correct answer. So the correct answer is D here. Flame proof enclosure, inflammable gas. Next question. Handheld dash apparatus means an apparatus which is so designed as to be capable of being held in the hands and moved while connected to a dash. Options are A. Movable electric supply, B. Mobile battery supply, C. Conducting electric conductor, D. Operating operator, E. Portable supply of electricity. Your time starts now. Time up. Let's see the answer. So the correct answer is E here. Portable supply of electricity. Next question. The term dash as applied to an apparatus or associated circuits shall denote that any sparking that may occur in normal working is incapable of causing explosion of inflammable gas or vapor. The options are A. Intrinsically safe, B. Safety type E, C. Portable, D. Fireproof, E. None of these. Your time starts now. Time up. So the correct answer is A, intrinsically safe. Next question. Oh, there is no question here. So this is just a reminder for all of you that you just have 59 days left before the exam. Your exam dates are displayed here. You can see how much time has been left. So you must start working on your strategy very well. Okay. And by any chance, if any of you has any doubts or you want to inquire about the paid courses and mock test series, you can call on the number displayed on the screen. And the salient feature of the courses are displayed here. You get a very structured curriculum, and 50 plus hours of live classes are in every courses, 30 plus mock tests and revision notes. Revision notes etc. are shared on premium WhatsApp groups, and as a bonus you also get recordings of the classes so that you can go through them twice for revision. Thank you. So the next question is, increased safety type E means a method of protection by which additional measures are applied so as to give increased dash against the possibility of excessive dash and of course and occurrence of arcs and sparks in apparatus which does not produce arcs or sparks in normal service. So the options are security and leakage, B security and current, C security and temperatures, D security and dust, E none of the above. Your time starts now. Time up. Let's see the answer. So the correct answer is C security and temperatures. Next question. A device which has the property of diverting to earth any electrical surge of excessively high amplitude applied to its terminals and is capable of interrupting flow current if present and restoring itself thereafter to its original operating conditions is called lighting pole, lightning arrestor, switchgear, sensitizer, Faraday box. Your time starts now. Time up. Let's see the answer. So the correct answer is B, lightning arrestor. Next question. Which of the following electrical terms is incorrectly matched with their units? A. Current ampere, B. Resistance ohm, C. Potential difference volt, D. Potential volt, E. Power joule. So your time starts now. Time up. The correct answer is E. Power joule. Next question. The difference of electric potential which exists between 2 points of a conductor carrying a constant current of 1 ampere when the power dissipated between these joints is 1 watt is A. 1 joule per coulomb, B. 1 ohm, C. 1 pascal, D. 1 horsepower, E. None of these. Your time starts now. Time up. Let's see the answer. So the correct answer is A, 1 joule per coulomb. सी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट है कि अभी माइन मैनेजमेंट एंड लेजिस्लेशन, जनरल सेफ्टी एंड विनिंग एंड वर्किंग, इनका ऑल्टरनेट डेज पर ये क्विजेस करा रहे हैं। अगर आप लोगों को लगता है कि आपको इन क्विजेस से कुछ अच्छा फ़ायदा हो रहा है एंड आप चाहते हैं कि ये रेगुलर बेसिस पे हो, ऑल्टरनेट डेज पे ना हो, एवरीडे माइन मैनेजमेंट लेजिस्लेशन जनरल सेफ्टी की भी हो और एवरीडे वर्क विनिंग एंड वर्किंग की भी हो, तो आप इन वीडियोस को शेयर करिए अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड कॉलीग्स के साथ। अगर इन वीडियोस में से किसी भी एक वीडियो पर हमें 1000 से ज़्यादा लाइक्स मिल जाते हैं, देन हम लोग इसको एवरीडे कराना शुरू कर देंगे। ठीक है, let's see to the next question. So this question is, the electrical resistance between 2 points of a conductor when a constant potential difference of 1 volt applied to these points produces a current of 1 ampere in the conductor provided no electromotive force is generated in the conductor is A, 1 ohm, B, 1 mho, C, 1 coulomb, D, 1 watt, E, 1 horsepower. Your time starts now. Time is up. Let's see the answer. So the correct answer is A, 1 ohm. Next question. A switch is a dash operated device for opening and closing or for changing the connection of a circuit. Options are A, normal, B, emergency, C, automatic, D, manual, E, remote. Your time starts now. Time up. So the correct answer is D, manual. Next question. 1 megawatt equals to. So the options are 10 lakhs, 106, 1000, and this is 100 million, 1000 million, I'm sorry, and E is 1 by 1000. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is A, 10 lakhs or 10 to the power 6. Okay. Thank you everyone for participating. See you in the next session, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you like the session. Also press the bell icon so that you can stay notified about future classes and quizzes. And I'll remind you all again that if you share these videos with your friends and colleagues, and if you get 1000 likes in any of these videos, then we'll start doing both the quizzes on daily basis. Thank you.